Let's look at how to use the concatenate function in Excel. Concatenate means to join two or more values together. I'll copy this data, just this one, Control C, and go to the sheet where you want to copy it. Click on the first cell here. Now if I press Ctrl V, it won't work because those values here are gotten from formulas. These values here are gotten by virtue of formulas that we applied. So that's why when you copy like that and paste, you won't get the right thing. Ctrl Z, go back, copy again, copy, Ctrl C, go to the sheet where you want to paste. Now rather than pressing Ctrl V, there are various paste options. We have looked at the transpose function before. That's to align your vertical data into an horizontal format. Now what you want to do is to go to the, not the first option, the one that says values. You can see paste values. Click on paste values to get only the values of this data source. Click on values. So that will give you the values from that sheet without the formulas. And when you click on each of the cells, the formulas are not there on the formula bar. So let's align everything to the middle. Now what we want to do now is to use the concatenate key to join these three numbers. Now the format I want to use is this. Let me copy this and paste it. Now this is the format I want. This format is such that after these first three numbers we have a space followed by what? Followed by three numbers and a dash, then four numbers. So how do you do this? To join these three numbers, you use the concatenate function. Press equal sign on your keyboard, type concatenate and press the tab key to select it. Then click on the first number you want to join with the rest. Press comma, click on the second one, press comma, click on the last one, press enter. Now you can see that we didn't get exactly what we want. There should be a space between this first set of digits and the second set, and between the second set and the last set there should be a dash. So what you do is to go back, I'll type it again, press equals to, concatenate, tab key on your keyboard, the first number, click on it, then comma. You want a space after the first number, so you need parentheses. Then in between the parentheses you need a space. Press your space key, then you continue, press your comma, click on the next number you want to join, then comma again. After that you need a dash. So inside parentheses press dash, type dash on your keyboard inside parentheses followed by a comma and the last number you want to join to these other numbers. Press enter. So this will give you this format of number. Then you can double click on this autofill and undo to get the rest of the numbers joined together.